Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and it is the part 3 of the video series Dentist Web Design. In the previous video, we designed the services section. In that video, we have created the layout box with icons. If you haven't watched that video, I strongly recommend to do so. I have created the playlist where I put all this tutorial. I'm putting the link of the playlist in the I button and in the description of this video. Well, in this video we will create an infographic section. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let me add a big white rectangle for this section. Now let me extend the height. Now change the color of the rectangle to cyan. It's already looking pretty good. Now let me add photos to our project. Let me align these pics with the margin with the help of guides. If you closely see, there is a background shadow behind the image. Look right under the effect section on the right side of the Figma. There is a plus icon. Click on it. Drop shadow will activate. If you click on the sun icon, the drop shadow panel will expand. You will find the value of shadow there, where you can adjust the position of the shadow and the blur of the shadow. You can try it yourself. You will know how this value manipulate the shadow. Now let me add the title. The font size of the title is 36 pixel bold, where bold is font weight. Now let me reduce the text area and align it properly. Now let me add the subheading, and the font size of the subheading is 16 pixel bold. Now we need to add two-line description. The font size is 16 pixel regular, and now let me reduce the text area and align it with the subheading. Now move the tick icon into the frame, which I had already copied from flat icon in the previous video. Now reduce the size of the icon up to 22 pixel. If you click on the pin, it will lock the value of the both sides. If you change any value, it will automatically change the other value. Let's say if you change the height, width will automatically change. Now arrange all the elements properly. Let me adjust the heading a little bit. Now change the color of the tick to green. Let it be dark green. Now move the subheading and the description closer and make it symmetrical. Now select all three elements and group them by pressing Ctrl G. And now make two more copies of this group below by pressing Alt and left click. That's it. That's all for now. We have finished this section. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon for the regular updates in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.